In episode 3, Meredith and Sam go to the township of Mossburn to buy batteries. They see a customer complain because the merchant did not give enough change. The customer called her a thief. She wasn't happy about it. Let's watch this again.
I gave you 15.
You gave me 12. You're a thief.
I'm offended.
Shame on you.
Okay, that's enough. Goodbye.
What? No.
I said goodbye, sir.
Sometimes you are right to be rude. And here, we understand the customer's feeling because the merchant took his money. But in real life, you can make the same complaint or request more polite with expressions such as, I think, I'm afraid, can you please? And by choosing some different words instead of thief and shame on you. Let's see a more polite type of complaint.
You were meant to give me 15 change.
I think I did.
No, I'm afraid you only gave me 12.
I'm not sure.
I'm sure about this. Can you please give me back the extra 3?